Question 1 is a words and context question. And the quickest way to approach this question is to look at the sentence with the underline or the blank. And notice that it says this blank was confirmed with observations in 2017. So I'm going to go and look at which of these answer choices can be confirmed with observation. Now, when they say confirmed with observation, this means we're using data to confirm something. So we're using a data point that we found to confirm something. Now, if you think back to your science lab reports that you're writing for your classes, you think back, the thing we're confirming or denying or validating using our data is often our hypothesis. Right? So when we write lab reports, we have an initial hypothesis before you do the experiment. You carry out the experiment, you collect data, and then you, in your conclusion, say either your hypothesis is true or not, or maybe partially true. So I know that the thing we confirm with data is going to be a hypothesis. I want to find the word out of the 4 answer choices that is closest to meaning hypothesis, and that's going to be theory. Right? Theory is also an idea that we think to be true. Right? But it's a concept, it's just an idea. We probably is true, might be true, but it's just an idea at the end of the day. Looking at the other 3 answer choices, evidence. So if we're using observations to confirm something, evidence is the same thing as data or observation. So we can't confirm data using other data. That just is circular, doesn't really make sense. A constant is something that doesn't change. So it doesn't require validation, it doesn't require confirmation because we already know it's the thing that it is. Same goes for experiment. An experiment is something we do not confirm or validate an experiment, we just carry out the experiment. Now the other way you could have solved this question that would have taken slightly longer is if you had read the sentence before and you would have noticed that it's talking about how astronomers have predicted this collision of stars that's called a kilonova. And so we're referring back to this prediction that was confirmed. The prediction is the prediction of the collision. That was confirmed in 2017. So again, this event could have been something that you confirm using observation. So if you read the previous sentence, you might have thought the thing we were replacing with the blank was event, which would have been fine, but there's none of the answer choices that are a good replacement for event because an experiment and event are not the same. So for that reason, there isn't an answer choice that can replace event, but there is an answer choice that can replace predict, and that would be theory. So there's 2 ways to solve this question, whatever is easier and more natural for you, but the first way is a little quicker and will help us get to answer A.